Hope that's recording. Spuddy boy, I've got your toy. I mean, crackers. Crackers. Get your toy. Do you want to film it for me, Brad?
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
Here, look. I got your toy. What's this?
Oh, I can't get into the camera.
Get it.
You should try your own.
What's this?
I want
Oh, I say. Oh, how funny.
No, leave it there for him.
Come on, get it.
Oh, I say.
Me.
How strange.
Yeah, come on.
It's me.
Come here. Come and get it.
Crackers.
Come on, get up.
What's this?
Get up the little stairs. Hey, let me.
Oh, yeah.
They're just obsessed with it.
What's this? It's down here.
Are they teasing you, Cracker?
Look out.
Look out, Chloe, we're filming it.
Chloe, look out.
I've got to be careful. Text me.
Oh, I say.
Come on, come on.
Chloe,
Here's my bag.
I'm filming it.
Up here.
It's a big
Chloe, out the way so we can get it filmed.
You know.
I got your toy.
Henry's just gone, oh great, now he's in my cage.
Who's this? Who's this?
Get in.
Hey, you're
Yes, get in. It's not in there. You're not in there. We're still in the game.
Come on. Up here.
Oh, I say, look how funny.
You are a funny bird.
Careful, Chloe.
Chloe, look out.
I'll let you have it now.